Hello there guys and girls, what's going on? Your host Samurai and welcome back to Samurai Games here. And today we are finally upgrading our PC right here. So if you've been listening to the stream for the last couple of months, of course, you'll be knowing that we've been talking a lot about getting a new CPU, because if we play some certain types of games, yeah, that didn't work out very well with CPU encoding, and then we had to use GPU encoding, which, as you saw sometimes on stream, didn't work out very well. It's mostly very blurry, very ugly, and sometimes enormously laggy to use that, of course. But guys and girls, mostly because of all of you right there and all of your help right there with donating, watching the videos, watching the streams, and just playing around right there, chatting with us right there, we've been able to get this puppy over here. Yeah, we've got the new Ryzen 7 1700. So some people might be asking why I got the 1700, not the 1700X, 800X, something like that. Or even went to tear down a little bit more to the 1600X. So I want to have an 8-core. Right. I want to have an 8-core. So I just picked out the 1700X right there because it's pretty much the best steel. Yeah, it's the best steel, of course, to have around. The 1800X, a little bit too overpriced, so not enough for the performance there, and if you just overclock this beast as well, you pretty much get the same exact performance. So yeah, so I didn't see the need to spend a little bit more money on that though, and yeah, spend it elsewhere, of course. But guys and girls, come take along with us here. Yeah, okay, so we're finally gonna be upgrading that system, putting this thing into it, of course. And yeah, come take along for the ride right here. Let's go have a look here at what our parts we ordered, of course, to replace in that good old system over there. And let's have a look. Okay, so guys and girls, with the motherboard we went with the X370 Gaming Pro Carbon Edition right there. I know the Gaming Edition also came out pretty recently though. If you're wondering why I went with the X370 chipset, pretty much it's a little bit more stable chipset than the B350s are though. Even though B350s and everything like that are good enough and overclocking though. But if you ever want to go for a second GPU, of course, we can here. Sorry for the shaking camera, unfortunately. I'm going to try and use my both hands. I'm horrible with this right here. I'm using the phone to record this, of course. It's every single camera I have right there. Let's see here. Let's have a look at the mobile right here. Every single camera I have, like this one here, and ones I have laying around somewhere right there, are doing horribly and crappy. And this is like pretty much the only one that works right here. So let's have a look at this board here. It looks pretty nice. Looks pretty fancy. I guess all these guys things right here. Reinforced PCI lanes, and for one other reason, RAM became this heavy that they need to reinforce it as well. So now for the cooler, of course, we're going a little bit with the stock cooler for right about now. And when I actually picked this out of the box, I actually was a little bit surprised of how big and how decent of a cooler this is actually. So yeah, unlike what you got with some other PCs these days, you got like a little bit of plastic and a small bit of metal. Actually, here you got something decent. Okay, and here, of course, you see the RAM right there. We had Vengeance, LPX, DDR4, of course, 2000 megahertz kit, 2x8, of course, and here we go. The price of the entire system, the 1700 right there. With the very important thing, of course, right there, the sticker. That's very, very important, of course. Okay, so guys and girls, that's all the parts you're putting in right there. Of course, the other parts still staying the same right there. GTX 1070, MTX 750 watt power supply, and yeah, hard drive still the same, and SSD also still the Crucial MX300, I think, something like that. I forgot what the name was of that one here. But all the links and parts will be down in the description down below, of course. So, okay, let's get into the build.
to protect your soul.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones, you won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out. You can't get to me. Say what you wanna say. Go take it all away. But I'm here to stay. No, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a
Okay, guys and girls, a few weeks later and one haircut later right here in Gino's last scenes right there, and the system is still working fine. Of course, there's, you can see running it in the background as well, some Unigine Valley, of course, right there. But before we're gonna end up this episode, of course, here will pretty much just upgrade a vlog right there before we're gonna end up right here. So I have to give a huge shout out to every single one of you that just watched the videos, just years right there, and everything like that. So I have over here right now a list of all direct compute of everyone who directly donated for this project over here right there, as well. Some special thanks to Astro, Mr. Flower, Thomas the Puck, and of course Mr. Mango. Unfortunately, for some as would say, may get the honor to name this thing right here, and he said he would name it Skittles. So yeah. You know what, it doesn't look that right there to be Skittles, right, doesn't it? Doesn't it? No, it doesn't seem too right to be Skittles. Yeah. You know what? That also doesn't seem right there, the red lights. No. It's missing something. Yeah, it's missing something. You know what, I think this is making it look way bad right there. You gotta love that RGB light right there. So, guys and girls, I hope you all enjoyed right there, and of course, thank you all for helping us get this thing right here, the streams and everything like that, and render times are looking amazing right now. So definitely we'll be able to push out a lot more content soon. So stay tuned for everything like that, and I hope you'll enjoy this upgrade forward here. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see me mess around more with computers that are pretty much available in them. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to have a great day. Don't forget to sub, like, and comments down below, of course, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Don't forget, and goodbye. Not repeating myself again, because that's me.